Hello everyone, this is Nimish. Welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a quick review of Surya Vanshi, the first movie that is released in the theaters at such a scale level and is doing great collections apparently as well. Good for the team, good for the producers. They have waited so long to release the movie. It is the next movie in the Singham universe or the Shetty universe or the Cop universe, whatever you want to call it. But it was a much awaited film. I was excited to watch this film because I have also been waiting. It is an Akshay Kumar film who I absolutely love. Rohit Shetty film in the cop universe that always promises to deliver. Big fan of the movie Singham. Watched it 25, 30 times and I really like the way that they have incorporated this universe. As funny it might be to some people or weird it might be to the others, I think it is a great initiative to have a cop universe and it can keep going and expanding in this way. However, the movie itself did not live up to expectations at all. I was expecting a much more gripping and interesting story. I was expecting a Akshay Kumar style story as opposed to a out and out Rohit Shetty type story. And that's I think where the disconnect happened. If it was more in the direction of Akshay Kumar, Surya Vanshi, that kind of vibe, and the movies that he has been trending in the past 5 years, then it could have focused more on the operations, focused more on how, step by step they are going and getting people, attacking people, capturing people, and given us a little different spin on this cop film, because then you would have had Singham, who's doing the regular cop stuff, Simba, who had his transformation, and of course Suryavanshi, that is more tactical in approach. However, those kind of things were very, very limited in this movie, and that was not really captured at all. Instead, it was still zoomed out into being a regular cop movie with over the top action, over the top sort of villains here and there running around, comedy that doesn't really work and is forced in, songs that are absolutely forced in, a love story that is forced in, it's half baked, so to speak. And so overall, it did not really live up to the expectation. In Simba, when Singham entered, there was a much better rationale for him to enter. There was a much better sort of surprise element. Same applies to Akshay Kumar at the end of Simba. But in this movie, because we already know they were going to enter, which is by now not something that should be a surprise anyway, but the way they enter in the movie, at what point they enter, how they enter, is all very illogical and just a little too much to digest. Many such sequences exist in the movie which are just too much to digest. It's absolutely not something to apply the brain for. And I would have expected that the Akshay Kumar Suryavanshi cop would have had that sort of brain element to have the audiences enjoy a sort of more knowledgeable, well documented type film. That does not mean I expected a full on baby or something like that where it was completely serious and tactical, but I did want that sort of to be blended with the Rohit Shetty entertainment to give us a different feel. It just felt much like the been there, done that vibes, with absolutely a bunch of sequences sewed together and just packed and published. Gulshan Grover, Jackie Shroff, absolutely no scope in this movie, and I was expecting great things from them and their characters as well, but no such thing happened. Too many cooks spoil the broth, is what I would think this movie is, and so I didn't enjoy it, even though I wanted to, and I hope that whatever is next, Singham going to Pakistan and all this stuff, is delivered in a much better way. And whatever happens to this universe is more fun the next time around. But I'm going with reluctant 2 stars for Suryavanshi. I hope you like this review. If you did, like, comment, share, subscribe. Stay tuned to this channel for much more and keep watching.